This video is for the train engine linkage peg. First thing that you're going to want to do is start a new part, English standard inch part. Start a 2D sketch. You're going to want to choose the XY plane. The first line we're going to do is for the maximum height. We're only going to do half the linkage peg, and then we will revolve around the axis. So the highest point is going to be 0.325. I'm going to right click and say OK. I'm going to come down here, and it tells us that the diameter is 0.0625, but we only want the radius. So we're going to type in 0.0625 and then the divide key, and then plug in 2 and hit enter. Our next dimension is going straight up, which is 0.25 inches. We don't know how long this portion is to the right, so we're just going to go ahead and select a length, and it'll get fixed later. We're going to right click and say OK, and then we're going to come up here to arc, and we're going to arc from this tall point down here. Now it's important that your arc doesn't get all crazy like that. Your highest point is supposed to be at that 0.325, so do a nice gentle arc coming down from there, and then go ahead and click. We're going to come up here to the coincident constraint, and you're going to click on that, and you're going to find this little green dot. You're going to click on that green dot, and then you're going to click on that line. And then we have dimensioning to do, and it's only one. That radius right there is supposed to be 0.1562. Once you have that, you can finish the sketch, and then you're going to come over here to the revolve button, and it selected the profile already. Now it's already asking for the axis, so when I come over here, we want it to revolve around this particular axis. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to say OK, and that is your linkage peg. Make sure that you hit File and Save As. Choose to save it underneath your train engine with first two initials _ linkage peg.